Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. First, I want to introduce myself. My name is Habib Nurihwan. I'm student Aerospace Technology Department at the Cipto College of Technology. Now, we talking about task card, nose landing gear, and my landing gear called left and right. Okay, next slide 2. Task card, standard procedure I work. We can make two procedure for engineer in aerospace maintenance. Okay, this many parts Boeing task card, and we can see station, child number, title, task number, skill, work area, latest tasks, interval, task card revision, applicability, zone, access panel, that, and the others. Okay, I want to give you information. Landing gear system is conventional aircraft tricycle configuration consisting of a nose landing and a left and right main landing gear. As a landing gear includes a shock tools with two wheel and tire and stabilizers. As main landing gear wheel is equipped with a brake assembly with anti-skid protection. The nose landing gear is stripable and located in the lower forward fuselage. The main landing gear is located in the lower left and right wing area. Okay, next slide. The purpose of task car. Corrosion prevention, and to task car, the engineer have to do the inspection for corrosion prevention of landing gear system include nose and main landing gear left and right. Okay, after that, the tools used. What the tool used in inspection? BMs, 3 to 3 compounds, steam or high water pressure, detergent, and clean the dry track. And okay, next slide. We can see nose landing gear part. To do inspection, first, shock tooth and attachment. 2. Drag brakes link, actually surface, torsion links, nose gear actuator, nose gear steering assembly, and trunnion bearing caps. Okay, next step. Inspection list for nose landing gear for engineering. Nose landing gear. 1. Can a nose landing gear and component inspect for the max finish the max planting and the check for corrosion. 2. If corrosion is evident, remove corrosion and restore protective finish as practical. 3. Apply BMS 323 compound to surface area in the landing gear, connecting pin and attachment forks as required, particularly in the following area: A. Shock struts including equipment, attached and equipped inner gliders, steering cable pulling, brackets and inside of petholes. B. Upper and lower drag brakes link. C. Axle surface, express bearing in the journal areas. D. Upper and lower torsion link in the towing lugs. E. Nose gear actuator. F. Nose gear steering assembly. E. Trunnion and trunnion gearing caps. H. Locks back assembly and the linkage. Okay, I have to the thing to not check. Note: in cases where periodic cleaning is completed with steam or high water pressure and detergent, apply BMS 323 to the nose gear component, and be caution, do not apply BMS 323 to sealants 1 rubber seal out control complex of surface odor reactions shown in the Part 1, Section 20 600, page 3 and 4 of the Corrosion Prevention Manual. In the reference Corrosion Prevention Manual, the 6X2560. Okay, next slide. Come to we can talking about main landing gear leaf parts. To do inspection, first soak in truth and a door attachment, axle surface, side and drag struts, walking beam, torsion link, turnion and turnion link, lugs, lug face, and link pins. In the main landing gear leaf, inspection leaf for main landing gear leaf. Main landing gear for engineer. 1. Clean the main landing gear and component inspector for the max paint finish, the make planning, and checks for completion. 2. In corrosion in incident remove, corrosion in restore protective finish and practical. 3. Apply BMS 323 compound to surface area and the landing gear fitting, connecting pin and the attachment lock and the rocket threads, and particularly in the following area: A. Structure and the third door attachment. B. Axle surface except bearing in the journal area. C. Upper and lower side strut. D. Drag strut. E. Walking beam. If torsion link in a main gear damper. H. Turnion and the turnion link. H. Door height case and a look. Last lock face link spin actuator and locks maintenance. After that, we can go to next slide. The thing to be noted: not in case where periodic cleaning is accomplished with steam and the high water pressure and detergent, reapply BMS 323 to the main landing gear. In the caution, do not apply BMS 323 to silicate core rubber seal or the contour clamber of surface of precision shown in the Fall 1 section 206000, page 3 and 4 of the Corrosion Prevention Manual. Not remove excess BMS 323 with the clean dry drag. Reference Corrosion Prevention Manual, the 6X2560. Okay, because we have to talking about right now, we can about leaf. No. When landing gear right part to do inspection, source throat and a door, attachment, axle surface, side and dragsters, walking beam, torsion link, tornion and tornion link, logs, log faces, and link pins. Okay, if you look this, inspection list for main landing gear right. Main landing gear. First one, create a main landing gear and the component expected for the match paint finishes the damage planting and check for completion. 2. If question, if evident, remove causation and restore protective finish and practical. 3. Apply BMS 323 compound to surface area and the landing gear fitting, connecting pin and the attachment lugs and the rates, and particularly in the following area. A. Shock the stud and the stud door attachment. B. Axial surface except bearing in the journal area. C. Upper and the lower set stud. D. Truck stud. E. Walking the beam. F. Uh, torsion link, main gear jumper. E. Turnion and the turnion link. H. Door hinges. The last lock the look faces and a link spin actuator and the looks measurements and some about in the leaf. The thing to be noted: notes in the catches with products are cleaning in the fluxed with steam and the high water pressure and detergent reply BMS 323 to the main landing gear. Same with will be right, correct and leave. And the caution: do not apply BMS 323 do select rumble slip or the control complex of surface other pressure shown in the following section and the correction perfection manual. Note: remove action BMS 323 with a clean dry drag. Reference: correction and perfection manual. Engineer as possible for all maintenance for 100% flag and safety. Okay, just that for information. Thank you all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.